This pipe, it comes on, well, I don't need it, we won't use that one. But this pipe is quite rigid. Pushing this pipe under the foundations, everything, is just a bit awkward. But if we have a ducting, sliding this into a ducting, it makes so much easier. And it's just giving it extra protection. When you have to bring a new water supply into your property, there are a few important parts that you have to ensure you do on your build. What we have done is we work with the Bristol Water to do a new connection because we are on a joint supply with the neighboring two properties. The only stopcock outside is there, 2 doors down, and they're just outside of my neighbor's property. They would have to come from the other side of the property to my property in order to do a new connection. That's what they said. This video is about specification, what you have to do if you need to bring a new supply into your property. You have to dig the trench. That has to be minimum 750 and no deeper than 1300. We've had someone coming into the property to give us a quote for work. Just to let you know, if you introducing a new water connection into your property, what you must ensure you do is you install a protection for your pipe. So what we have done is we've got a twin wall duct that we've run under the property. We dig at the depth of 900. Introducing the pipe into the property under its foundations, it has to go into another more rigid duct. It goes under the property, and the actual MDPE pipe that goes inside the duct, it's also easier. I'll show you why. I've got a bit of a cutter. Wasn't planning to actually film this part, but anyway, everything's for education. So this pipe, it comes on, well, I don't need it, we won't use that one. But this pipe is quite rigid. Pushing this pipe under the foundations, everything, is just a bit awkward. But if we have a ducting, sliding this into a ducting, it makes so much easier. And it's just giving it extra protection. And that's what we want. So remember, the depth has to be minimum 750, but no deeper than 1350, and you're good to go. If you have any questions, drop us a message. We'll be more than happy to share anything with you. See you soon.